Evil Queen Squad. So today, um, today, um, I'm gonna, okay, so today, I'm gonna guys show you guys my, Discord username, I guess, so you can friend me on it. So basically, this is it. This is, you know what, I don't really care if you see my email. Okay, sorry. So I feel like hear like, a vibrant noise on my phone. It's because Jade's talking to me on Instagram, and I don't really want to talk to her right now. So, anyways, this is my account. If you want to friend me, also they updated Discord that you can like, okay, so, well, I don't think you can do it here. Maybe you can. So like you can find your friend's Discord. Wait, what? Hold on. Like, okay, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, anyways, like, for me. Oh my god! Okay, sorry, jeez. Okay, so like, do this, like, you can do that, as you can see. And yeah. So you can basically just do that and like probably pop up my Discord. So yeah. You guys can add my Discord. I also have a Discord group chat. Oh, also, guys, I start school like I start school back up at, like, on August 13th. So basically, I might not be posting that much that whole week or like basically like couple months after when school starts because I'm going to be in 8th grade, and that's my last year being in middle school, and then I'm going to be moving up to high school, and so basically I was in middle school for 3 years, cause 6, 7, and 8, and then for high school I'm going to be there for 4 years because 9th, 10th, 11, and 12th is 4 years basically. Oh my god, just another dog. Anyway, so I posted no. I think okay, no one. So basically, Lexi, um, she hasn't talked to me since like yesterday, I believe. Oh my god, this girl keeps on talking. Azra! Okay, sorry, this is not the dog in the background. Okay, anyways, but yeah, you guys can go add me on Discord. Here's my Evil Queen server, I guess you can say. And yeah, there's my YouTube bot and Ethan and yeah. I don't really like talk in this group chat much. I usually talk in like one of these group chats. You guys can see. Oh my god. Okay, let me get off with that. Okay. I usually talk in like, hold on, that's not the group chat talking. Usually I talk in this one. Oh, yeah, that's basically, like this one. Oh, that one. I thought I talked in this one yesterday. Like, okay, so I accidentally made a new account because, like, I clicked the one thing instead of a login account, so, yeah, yeah. So, I had to log in my, sorry, I'm talking to Jay right now. I don't think, like, I think she's lying, but, like, at the same time, I don't know anymore because, like, it's hard for me to trust people. It's, like, hard for me to trust people. Like, again, like, when, like, I give them a lot of chances, and then they like just like break him, and like it's just hard for me because like Jay was like saying all this mean stuff about me earlier, cause Sky told me, and then like yeah, I don't know what to do anymore. Like she think like it feels like I'm a puppet, you know, like I'm just a puppet, okay? Like it feels like it feels like I'm a puppet that she can just control me, you know? Okay, anyways, um but yeah, that's basically it. And then I also have a YouTube group if you guys want to join it. I watch a lot of YouTube as you can tell, but oh wait, you can tell basically. I watch a lot of YouTube to see I have like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8 tabs, and once I had like 30 tabs open. So yeah. Also, again, to go subscribe to Haley's World. I'll have a link of her YouTube channel in the description down below. Okay, so I have her link down in the description down below. I like comment on some of her videos, and she comments on my videos sometimes. Yeah, I'll show you what she commented. Really, comment on 2 videos of mine. So basically, she commented on this one. So I made a dumb mistake. I said Scott. By the way, Scott, I hate you. I meant to say Luna. Okay, so when I said Luna, yeah. So when I said Sky, I meant Luna. Like, okay, so just ignore that mistake if you watch that video. Anyway, so this is what she said. She said, "Girl, you got a girlfriend while I'm still single." By the way, this was funny and fun to watch. So if I'm still single, single. So if I do like get a boyfriend slash girlfriend because I am bisexual, probably never gonna happen though. So and then I was like 19 hours ago. And then she commented on another video of mine. Show you guys. So then she commented on this one, happy BFF anniversary Lexi. That was like yesterday. It was yesterday. The day I met Lexi. So we've been like BFFLs for like 7 years now, and that's like a long time. But then we like had a break because of my ex. Yeah. So basically she said, "Aw, it's so sweet. I'm gonna cry." I said, "Aw, thank you." And she said, "No problem." So I'm gonna give myself a heart and her a heart. Um. So yeah. That's basically. Oh yeah. Also go join my YouTube group. Yeah. One person joined it. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the note, post notifications. And yeah, I see you guys. Wait, hold on, I got a question. Oh, she's typing. She's typing. Okay. Actually, comment below if you want to see what me and Jay are talking about right now. So I'll just screen record it on my phone. If you want to see that, just comment down below when this video posts. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. And yeah, adios, fam.